hello! So, it's been a while since I made my last video for YouTube. Probably I got a little bit older and hopefully also a bit wiser. Now today I want to show you how I varnish my paintings. The first thing you need to know is that you need a varnish that really matches your painting. Now this painting I did with acrylics, so I need a varnish that matches acrylic paint. And I got one. The second thing is, I use a very soft brush, so the varnish can spread very evenly across the surface of the painting. And then of course, I apply the varnish in several directions. I hope to show you that in the next video.